নমস্কাৰ, কেডি নলেজ চেনেলটোলৈ আপোনালোকক সকলোকে পুনৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ পাৰ্ট 4 আলোচনা কৰিম। টোটেল আমি 30টা কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ লৈ আহিছোঁ। আহকচোন আমি কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ চাওঁ। তাৰ আগতে আপোনালোকে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব আৰু বেল আইকনটো ক্লিক কৰি দিব যাতে এনেধৰণৰ আৰু নটিফিকেশ্যন পাই থাকিব। আহকচোন আমি কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ চাওঁ। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যন দিয়া, which organization released a report titled Sustainable Urban Cooling Handbook? ইয়াৰ অপশ্যন দিয়া আছে UNEF, FAO, নীতি আয়োগ, নাবাৰ্ড। ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন এ UNEP। UNEP ফুল মিনিং হৈছে আপোনালোকৰ ইউনাইটেড নেশ্যনছ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট প্ৰগ্ৰাম। ইউনাইটেড নেশ্যনছ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট প্ৰগ্ৰাম। ইয়াত দিয়া আছে Inti-Tanager, a recently discovered species is a bird, fish, snake, spider. Right answer is option A, bird. Double asteroid redirection test mission is associated with which country? Option D is India, USA, China, Israel. The right answer is option B. Next question. Ghat Chatti Bridge, which was recently inaugurated, is located in which Indian state? Option A দিয়া আছে উত্তৰ প্ৰদেশ, C দিয়া আছে মধ্য প্ৰদেশ, D দিয়া আছে তামিলনাডু। ইয়াৰ অপশ্যন বি হ'ব ৰাইট আনসাৰ উত্তৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন দিয়া আছে which is the International Day for preventing the exploitation of the environment in war and armed conflict observed every year? Option দিয়া আছে November 4, November 6, November 8 আৰু November 10. The right answer is option B, November 10. The right answer is option B, November 6. Next question চাওঁ। ইয়াত দিয়া আছে question number 6. Which country has launched a ship named after a gay right-active Harvey Milk? Option দিয়া আছে Russia, USA, Germany, Norway. The right answer is option B, USA. Next question. Wang Yaping is the first astronaut of which country to work in space? Option A, Israel. Option B, China, UAE, Japan. The right answer is option B, China. Wang Yaping, the first astronaut of which country to space? The right answer is option B, China. Next question দিয়া আছে which city has issued new rule governing divorce, inheritance and child custody for non-Muslim? The option দিয়া আছে Dubai, option B is Abu Dhabi, option C is Doha, option D দিয়া আছে Muscat. The right answer is option B, Abu. Question number 9 দিয়া আছে Operation Allies Welcome is a procedure implemented in which country? Option দিয়া আছে Russia, USA, Australia, Japan. The right answer is option B, USA. Question number 10. Which state government launched Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? Option দিয়া আছে Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi আৰু Uttarakhand. The right answer হ'ব option C, Delhi. Next question, 11 number. What is the name of the world's first plasmid DNA vaccine to treat COVID-19? First vaccine, option A দিয়া আছে Jacob D, Moderna, Sputnik 5, Covaxin. Right is option A, Jacob D. Next question, question number 12. দিয়া আছে which state was formed on November 9 as the 27th state of India? 27th state of India. দিয়া আছে option A Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh আৰু Telangana. The right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Next question. Which is the National Legal Service Day observed in India? অপশন A আছে 9 নৱেম্বৰ, অপশন B দিয়া আছে 11 নৱেম্বৰ, 13 নৱেম্বৰ, 15 নৱেম্বৰ। Right answer is option A 9 November. Next question, question number 13. Mitrabha Guha, who was seen in the news sometime, is associated with which sports? Option A chess, fencing, archery, athletics. Your right answer is option A chess. Question number 15. Which social media platform has launched two cyber safety campaign named Safe Street and My Kanun? Here option দিয়া আছে Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. The right answer is option B, Instagram. Next question, question number 16. Which is the only state in the country to have metro facilities in 5 districts? Option দিয়া আছে West Bengal, option B New Delhi, C Uttar Pradesh, D Kerala. The right answer is option C Uttar Pradesh. Next question, question number 17. Every year National Education Day is observed on 11 November to commemorate which leader? Option D আছে APJ Abdul Kalam, option B Vallabhbhai Patel, option C Mother Teresa, option D Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The right answer is option D Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. 11 November National Education Day observe কৰা হয় প্ৰত্যেক বছৰত। Question number 18. Varun Thakkar and KC Ganapathy, who were in the news recently, are associated with which sport? Option D আছে cricket, kabaddi, sailing, golf. Your right answer is option C, sailing. Question number 19. Under the Defense Technology and Trade Initiative DTTI, এইটো মনত ৰাখিব, ইয়াৰ ফুল মিনিং হৈছে আপোনালোকৰ Defense Technology and Trade Initiative. India has joined with which country to develop air-launched unmanned aerial vehicles? Here option দিয়া আছে Japan, USA, UK, Australia. The right answer is option B, USA. Next question, question number 20. যদি question কেইটা ভাল লাগিছে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু বেল আইকনটো ক্লিক কৰি দিব যাতে আপোনালোকৰ notification পাই থাকিব। এতিয়া question number 20 দিয়া আছে ইয়াত Retail Direct Scheme and Integrated Ombudsman Scheme have been launched by which organization? That option দিয়া আছে Reserve Bank of India, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, or Securities and Exchange Board of India. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Your right answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 21. Which country is set to host the UN Climate Change Conference COP27 in 2022? Your option দিয়া আছে option A India, China, USA, Egypt. Your right answer is option D, Egypt. UN Climate Change Conference to Egypt organize কৰিব 2022. Next question, question number 22. Historical resolution, which is the next recently, is associated with which country? The option D আছে USA, Japan, China, New Zealand. The right answer is option C, China. Next question. What bright astronaut Simon C, which is the news recently? Option D আছে Mountain Pass, B New Planet, Species of Dinosaurs, Plant-based Regime. The right answer is option C, species of dinosaurs. Question number 24 दिया है यार. Which country has recently demonstrated a system for controlling urban air mobility vehicles? Urban air mobility vehicles. The option D is China, Japan, USA, South Korea. The right answer is option D, South Korea. Question number 25 दिया है यार. Seahorses, eels, seals, and sharks have been found in which famous river of the world, which was declared biologically dead? Option दिया है यार गंगा, यमुना, नील, Thames. The answer is option D as question number 26. When is the World Pneumonia Day observed across the world? World Pneumonia Day. The option D is November 12, November 14, November 16, November 18. The right answer is November 12, option A. So 27. Which company has launched new smaller dish to connect with satellite is low Earth orbit? Option A दिया है Blue Origin, B SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, option D NASA. Your right answer is option B SpaceX. Next question number 28 दिया है India's Bhatla Solar Park, the largest solar power park, is located in which state? Option A दिया है Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat. Your right answer is option B Rajasthan. Indian Barla Solar Park. Indian Barla Solar Park. ক'ত আছে আমাৰ option B ৰাজস্থানত আছে. Question number 29. The final Glasgow COP26 agreement aimed at capping global warming at S degree Celsius. Option D is 1, option B 1.5, 2.0, 3.0. The right answer is option B 1.0. Next question. Question number 13. Which racing driver won the Sao Paulo Grand Prix tournament? The option D is Lewis Hamilton. Option B is Max Verstappen. C is Charles Leclerc. Valtteri Bottas. Option D. The right answer is option A, Lewis Hamilton. আজিলৈ সিমানেই বন্ধুসকল। চেনেলটো যদি আপোনালোকৰ সহায় হৈছে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব আৰু বেল আইকনটো ক্লিক কৰিব নাপাহৰিব যাতে এনেধৰণৰ নটিফিকেশ্যন আৰু পাই থাকে। ধন্যবাদ।